Sa sobrang rare na itong phone na ito, medyo natagalan ako nakakuha nito. And this is the Redmi K70 Pro Lamborghini Squadra Course Edition. Sa sobrang rare makakuha nito, that's why it makes it really a special edition. So other than yung kind of physical appearance na Lamborghini, this one has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 24 gigs of RAM, and 1 terabyte of storage. 50 MP na triple camera setup, 5,000 mAh kind of battery with 120 watts of fast charging support. And itong special edition comes in two colors, Lamborghini Yellow and Lamborghini Green. Tara, buksan natin. So yun guys, nakita nyo na itong ganda nitong phone na ito. I was really surprised that this phone is really looking awesome. And probably the reason ba't ko sinelect ang yellow, it's because ito ang theme color ng aking channel, Gadget Sidekick. And probably one of my favorite color din dahil kay Bruce Lee. Inabangan ko talaga itong phone na ito. The last one was K40 Gaming ni Redmi with a Bruce Lee collaboration naman. That was another great classic phone na really a collector's item. Yung Bruce Lee edition, 5,000 units lang nilabas niya. I'm not quite sure kung ilan units na nilabas nila dito kasi wala akong nakita sa kanilang official website. Sa sobrang rare na itong phone na ito, I would like to thank Shandy Masangkay for helping me score one of these. And itong 24 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage, well, it's the only variant, comes at 46,000 pesos. Kung gusto nyo malaman ko saan ko siya nakuha, link on the description. So pag-usapan natin kanyang aesthetics, makita mo ang ganda ng kanyang pagka-shine dito sa kanyang camera module. Makita halos pwede mo siyang gamitin as glass. And yung likod niya, yung kanyang yellow is really nice. I would say na siguro kulang na lang i-emboss nila tong Lamborghini na logo. But pag sinalpak mo ang kanyang black case, makita mo yung kanyang Lamborghini na logo is already embossed. And another thing na mapapansin mo ang kanyang camera module dito, lahat ng kanyang ring is may color gold na emblem, which makes it looks a lot more premium than the regular na K70 Pro. Maganda rin ang kanyang black chrome finish dito sa gilid, pero medyo maraming fingerprints nga lang makakapit dito. Now, one of the things na ma-appreciate lalo ng mga fans ng Lamborghini is yung kanyang theme dito na included in this phone. Makita mo sa kanya dito, always on display pala, ang ganda na yung clock niya by default. Yung kanyang Squadra Course na clock. And ito ang kanyang default na theme, this is yung kanyang lock screen. E pag sinwipe up mo sa kanya, it's another different na home screen naman. Makita mo all of these logos dito are really specially made for this phone. So talagang masasabi mo na this is a special edition. Makita mo pa lang sa unboxing, lahat, everything is special edition talaga. So if you're really a big fan ng Lamborghini, I would say that itong phone na ito is definitely a worth buy for you. Lalo na kung sasama mo siya sa iyong collection. Now, other than yung kanyang aesthetics, yung kanyang theme, we know that this one is packed with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. And kita natin, sabi ni Antutu Benchmark, it gave it a 2.05 million points, which is definitely deserving. Ang taas itong score na ito. And if you break it down, this is what you should get. 4,300 loop score, nakuha na dito, plus 97% stability sa 3D Mark ng Wildlife Extreme. Ito ang score na nakuha na dito sa Geekbench na CPU benchmarking, GPU benchmarking. Very decent naman kanyang thermal throttling dito and it throttled to 87% ng kanyang best performance. Now, the phone na ito has a 5,000 mAh of battery supporting up to 120 watts na fast charging. Probably the only thing na kulang dito is a wireless charging capability. And charging this phone using its 120 watts of fast charging brick takes you around mga 20 minutes to complete the full charging cycle, and this phone can definitely last you for the whole day of usage. So sinalang din natin siya sa battery stress test ng PC Mark and it gave me a 14 hours and 34 minutes na screen on time. Now, ito phone na ito has a 6.67-inch na OLED na display. It can give you up to 120Hz of screen refresh rate, and it has a 2K display plus 4,000 nits ang kanyang maximum brightness. Probably one of the highest na brightness na meron ni Redmi. And you can even use yung WQHD niya na resolution for better enhancement ng iyong mga videos and images. And not only that, pwede mo pa enhance further using the AI image enhancement. So if you're browsing mga pictures mo dito, expect it's really nice and sharp. And if you're watching mga videos dito, like mga reels, mga shorts, it's really nice. And lalo na kung nagsuswipe ka, it's really fast dahil sa kanyang high refresh rate. If you're watching mga HD content dito, expect really nice resolution, sharp na sharp mga videos na mapapanood mo dito, and you'll definitely enjoy it with the whole family. So since itong phone na ito has stereo speakers, isa sa ilalim and the other one is nandito sa kanyang earpiece, pakinggan lang natin ang kanyang maximum volume dito sa phone na ito. Approved, malakas. Now, definitely to phone na ito can play to your heart's content. And I did play Call of Duty Mobile and Call of Duty Warzone dito. So, Call of Duty Mobile, maning-mani lang, no? I would say na sobrang okay ang gameplay ko dito. Kahit maglaro ka ng mga VR matches, yung mga rank matches dito, wala kang maging problema. Wala ako napansin na hiccups and wala ako napansin na frame drops dito. And the touch response is definitely fast. Pagdating naman sa Call of Duty Warzone, medyo naninibago pa ako sa gameplay nito. And, well, testing it for mga 30 minutes. Nag-enjoy naman ako, no? Though puro patay naman ang inaabot ko dito sa game na ito. And sinet ko naman siya sa highest graphical settings. And I was able to enjoy it kahit medyo dali ako mamatay dito kasi medyo I'm just still getting used to it sa game na ito. Probably one thing na napansin ko dito is halos wala naman napansin na frame drops kanya. Smooth naman ang gameplay all throughout yung 30 minutes na nilaro ko siya. And ang pinakamainit na na-achieve ko dito is around mga 46 degrees Celsius. Now, the phone na ito has a good performing naman na camera. And this one starts off with a 50MP na main camera sensor with OIS, 50MP na telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, and 12MP na ultra-wide lens. This one can shoot you up to 8K and 24fps. And ang gandang harap is a 16MP na main camera sensor which can only shoot you up to 1080 and 60. So guys, simulan natin ang ating camera analysis with a very nice na outdoor shot. I would say na okay siya, no? Pag i-zoom it in, medyo mafe-feel mo hindi ganun kalinaw as compared sa ibang mga flagship camera ni Xiaomi. But overall, pag hindi mo siya zoom, okay naman ang shot na ito. Now, if you look at this one, ito naman, okay na okay siya. Pag zoom in mo, kita mo lahat ng mga craters dito, magandang details naman niya. Buo, pati mga vines and mga other stuff dito, kitang-kita mo naman siya. Now, you check yung mga greens naman dito sa shot na ito. I would say na probably one of the best thing dito sa kanya is na hindi naman na oversaturate. And probably one thing na siguro hindi ko masyado gusto dito sa kanya is yung kanyang watermarks, no? It could have been better kung nakita mo dito no Redmi K70 Pro Lamborghini edition para makita mo yung pagka-prestige yung phone. But well, it looks just like another Redmi K70 Pro na regular edition na walang special watermarks. So if you're taking sa mga bokeh shot, you'd see na okay naman ang mga focus dito niya. Then blurring all the way out papunta sa likod. And it looks really nice and very dramatic. Tinest naman natin other lenses niya. This is a ultra-wide shot. This is a normal shot. And this is a 2x zoom shot. I would say na after 2x zoom, clear na clear pa rin mga photos dito. Kitang-kita natin na 765 pesos lang for 10 hours sa Sogo. Now here's another shot na ultra-wide lens. This is a normal shot. And this is a 2x zoom shot. I would say na parang mas maganda na enhance yung color ng art dito sa 2x zoom, no? Parang medyo mas orangey as compared sa a little bit pale orange sa regular lens niya. And checking mga nakasulat dito sa gitna, I would say clear na clear pa rin siya. And kung mahilig ka mag-picture ng mga cityscape shot, I would say na maganda ang details ng clouds niya, be it on the ultra-wide lens and on the normal lens. Now, taking in some shots na medyo pa sunset, I would say okay naman siya. Maganda ang mga dramatic effect dito sa camera na ito. Taking in some flower shots sa indoor, I would say na okay. Very nice and very detailed mga shots na ito. I was surprised na pag zoom in mo dito sa gitna, kitang-kita mo pa rin mga details niya. This is another good shot na makita mo yung details ng fabric niya. So, pagdating sa indoors, nilaro ko rin yung kanyang mga zoom lens. This is a ultra-wide shot. This is a normal shot. And this is a 2x zoom shot. Na makita mo, this is a Xiaomi elevator sa loob ng Mega Mall. And nung lumapit ako sa kanya, this is how it looks like. Ang Xiaomi elevator. Na pagdating mo sa loob ng coffee shop, this is a ultra-wide shot. This is a normal shot. And this is a 2x zoom shot. After 2x zoom shot, I would say okay naman siya. A little bit grainy yung mga subject, but overall, it's still okay. Now, taking some food shot, I would say okay naman ang mga shots na ito. Especially this one, it looks kind of good. And further taking some food shot, like mga donut na ito and mga cookies na ito, looks quite yummy. Redmi. And tinry ko naman magpa-portrait shot sa aking anak and it looks like this. I would say okay naman siya, though it's a little bit grainy on indoors. Pagdating naman sa night shot, this is what I got. I would say na okay naman tong photo na ito. I was able to capture all the details na kailangan ko makapture dito sa shot na ito. And another cityscape shot using the night mode. Now guys, I know na marami akong photos na gusto pakita sa inyo. But of course, dahil sa limited na airtime dito sa aking channel, do follow me on my Facebook page at gadgetsidekick for more photos from the Redmi K70 Pro Lamborghini edition. Now if you're using the selfie camera, I would say na okay ang shot niya. And especially mukha ko, no? Pinong-pinong, makinis na makinis sa aking mukha. Na nawawala yung mga craters and nawawala yung mga pimples ko, no? Probably this is not the best camera if you're the type of person na hindi mahilig sa mga filters. Take note hindi pa nga naka-on nata filters na ito by default. Pero makinis na aking mukha. Here's another very nice and very makinis na shot. Now using the camera naman indoor, I would say okay naman siya. Though I feel it's a little bit softened and a little bit grainy. Hindi lang siya ganun ka-sharp pag tingnan. And if you take a look at this one, medyo maganda naman lighting na dito, no? And I would say okay naman shot na ito. Now if you use the front-facing camera while walking, and panning around, I would say, quite stable ang kanyang front-facing camera to my surprise. Though medyo namumuti ako ng konti dito and medyo a little bit soft. Now if you use the rear camera naman, I would say that talaga sharp na sharp ang kanyang video and quite stable ang kanyang video all throughout, even you're just using your bare hand. Even pag pan niya, no, is quite smooth and hindi mo na feel na kamay ang gamit mo dito sa K70 Pro ng Redmi. So after playing with this phone for nearly 2 weeks already, I would say na halos wala namang masyadong pinagkaiba sa K70 Pro na regular edition. Except that yung kanyang aesthetics, ang ganda, ang kanyang unboxing experience is really nice. Yung kanyang team is definitely one of a kind. The rest is the same sa K70 Pro. Now, if you're a collector or you're a fan ng Lamborghini, I would highly suggest the phone to you. It's definitely one for the collectors. And kung mahilig ka rin sa color yellow just like me, this is definitely a nice phone to keep. Pero kung gusto mo ang performance ng Redmi K70 Pro without this heavy price tag, you can feel free to check the K70 Pro na regular edition, which I'll be posting the link on the description box below. But if you want to buy this one, ang Lamborghini edition, feel free to check it out sa Shandy Masangkay sa kanyang Facebook page for more details about this phone. Now guys, if you like this video and you know na may mga friends kayo na mahilig sa Lamborghini, share this one to them and a subscription to this channel would definitely be awesome. I'll see you in the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.